I'm Chris from Inside the Recording Studio podcast. In last week's episode, Jody and I talked about sidechaining. Now, a lot of you are probably familiar with this technique of sidechaining the bass to the kick, perhaps, but in this video, I'd like to show you how you can use the same technique to make a delay sit a little bit better in the mix. For this demonstration, I'm using a track that Jody and I did together called Alive in 85, and we're going to start focusing on the lead vocal. Let's just take a listen to the track the way it is right now.
On cassette, the intersection of pop, new wave had its own mob, the speed limit, a metal.
So as you can hear, there's some gaps in the phrasing there that I think would sound really cool to have some delay going on. So let's just start with soloing the lead vocal track, and I'm inserting a delay here that I have set to quarter notes, and let's take a listen to what that does.
On cassette, the intersection of pop.
That's a mess. Now, of course, I could just go ahead and automate the volume of the delay here, but what we're going to do instead is we're going to insert a compressor on the delay track, and I'm going to set the compressor sidechain input to the lead vocal, which is this one down here, Vox Jody lead 1. So now the lead vocal is triggering the compressor. Let's take a listen to what that sounds like.
On cassette, the intersection of pop, new wave had its own mob.
Okay, that's better, but it's still poking through a little bit more in places than I would like it to. So what we're going to do is we are going to adjust the release parameter of the compressor. That means that it's going to essentially let go of the delay a little bit slower. I'm going to raise this up to in the neighborhood of about 500, I think. Let's see what that sounds like.
On cassette, the intersection of pop, new wave had its own mob, the speed limit, a metal.
Now that sounds a lot better to me. It's just kind of coming through in the breaks there. Let's take another listen with a full mix.
On cassette, the intersection of pop, new wave had its own mob, the speed limit, a metal beat for hip-hop took control.
Hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, please hit the like button below. You know the drill. I hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.